Hey guys, welcome to math tutorial. In this video, we will learn to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. That is, we will find the value of 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus n. So let's start. At first, we will denote the sum by s. So we can write s equal to 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus n. Now we will rewrite our right hand side from the opposite end. That means s is equal to n plus n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus 1. Now adding these two equations we get 2s in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we have n plus 1, and we will get the same value again because n minus 1 plus 2 is equal to n plus 1 plus dot dot dot. Again we have n plus 1 at the end. Here we have n numbers of n plus 1. So we can write it as 2s is equal to n times n plus 1. Now we will get s is equal to n times n plus 1 by 2. Now remember that we have denoted the sum by s. So we can easily write that n times n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of these first n natural numbers. Thank you for watching.